Lumina, with eyes like distant stars so bright. Her coat of silver shimmering in the night. Threads of living light around her form they weave. A bioluminescent grace, the nebula to believe. Floating through the cosmos on currents soft and slow, where purple, pink, and blue nebula brightly glow. On asteroids of crystal, her destiny she'd find. A signal from the darkness, a message for her mind. Begin to pulse, a rhythmic, vibrant beat. Her distant star was calling, her journey to complete. The meteor showers, she gracefully did glide towards a glowing gateway where secrets would reside. A hidden dimension with creatures of pure light. A jellyfish-like entity in the ethereal night. Floating through the cosmos on currents soft and slow, the purple, pink, and blue nebula brightly glow. On asteroids of crystal, her destiny she'd find. A signal from the darkness, a message for her mind. The nebula's plight revealed a core that dimmed and weak. A responsibility Lumina vowed to seek. Absorbing energy, her threads began to blaze through fields of dark matter, carving out her ways. Shadowy figures rose to block her destined track, but with her radiant power, she pushed them swiftly back. She reached the dying core, a flicker in the void. With all her might and spirit, her energy employed. A blinding flash of light, her threads a vibrant stream. The nebula ignited, a resurrected dream. Exhausted, she faltered, her energy all spent. The creatures of the nebula, their healing power lent. Floating through the cosmos on currents soft and slow, the purple, pink, and blue nebula brightly glow. On asteroids of crystal, her destiny she'd find. A signal from the darkness, a message for her mind. Revived and shining brighter beneath the nebula's gleam, Lumina stood victorious, a truly cosmic queen. Back to her asteroid home, beneath the vibrant light, the guardian of the nebula, shining ever bright.